let's proceed sa scenario to. Imagine that you receive a strongly worded hate email at your school or job that threatens physical violence toward you. What would you do? Does your school or workplace have a policy that covers such issues? What would you do if someone sent you an email saying want to hurt you? Imagine, you open your email at school or work and see a message full of hate and threats. This is very serious. It is not just mean. It is unsafe. The main problem is your personal safety. The right thing to do is not to reply. Save the email as a proof. Then report it to your teacher, boss, HR, or school office. Most school and workplaces have rules about threats and violence, and they will help you. If the threat is very serious, you can also call the police. Your safety is the most important thing. So, tell me, would you report the email or ignore it? Share your answer below. Just write it comment below. Just write it in the comment.